Welcome! In front of me I have Huawei Watch 4 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. First thing we need to do is to open the Huawei Health application on the phone that is paired with our watch. So let's open the app by tapping on the icon. Once the application opens, you should see the health page. Now tap on the devices icon, select your Huawei Watch 4 Pro from the list of devices. On this page, find the More Options icon in the top right corner, tap on it, and then tap on Unpair Device, and tap on Unpair. Watch will disappear from the list of devices right here. Once it does, you can close the app. Now you can open the settings on your phone, open the connected devices or Bluetooth settings, and here check if you see the Huawei Watch 4 Pro on the list of devices. As you can see, it's not here, but if it was, you could tap on the settings icon next to it, tap on forget, and tap on forget again to remove it. And at this point, the watch is unpaired from our Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.